About what you got here on the site and all?
This is the Aimpoint Comp M4S. This is the new Army M68 close quarters combat optic.
How new is it?
We released the Comp M4 about 3 years ago.
Okay.
At this point now, Army has ordered 500,000 units.
And is it still in a block 1 mode or a block A or?
This is General Army, going out to all the troops. We have two different variants, the S with the low switch position and the H variant with the high switch.
Okay.
Initially the order was for the high switch, but they've just recently updated it to go to the low switch.
Okay.
We run on a AA battery in this system. The older system, the old M68, ran on a small N-cell lithium, which it can be a little hard to find sometimes. The AA system in this site, you can turn this site on and leave it on constantly running for 8 years.
Wow. Now what was this piece you had on there?
This is our 3X magnifying system. The 3X magnifier and the twist mount. Goes on at a 90-degree angle, rotates into place, turns your 1X red dot sight into a 3-power scope.
Wow.
One of the things that we did to redesign on the site is we went to an integrated mounting solution called the QRP2. The earlier M68s required a 30mm ring in the mount. Sometimes your soldiers would get them offset in the mount, and adjustments of windage and elevation would be an off axis. With the integrated mount, it has to be vertical at all times. It can't twist off in any way. Again, going to the AA battery, a lot easier to find, much more increased battery life. One of the biggest improvements though is the switch. The switch has been completely reinforced and now bolted to the body with the power knob instead of being bolted directly to the switch knob, which makes it virtually indestructible. It quite possibly is the toughest optical device ever made. We can take this sight and literally duct tape a flashbang to it, pull the pin, throw it down the line, blow it up, put it back on the gun, and it'll function normally.
Camo gun is